In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Changelly. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to come to changelly.com, and then you will see this little box in the middle of your screen. Now, of course, you can do a very similar thing on your mobile device as well. So you want to go to the second tab over here where it says buy, and you want to select what you want to pay with. So for example, your currency is, let's say it's USD. You want to select USD. If it's euro, you can select euro, but of course there's a bunch available. For example, Canadian dollar, Great British pound, Australian dollar, etc. So you can pay with whatever you want. Just select your currency. I'm going to do euros for now. And then here it's going to say you get, and then you have to select how much of the Bitcoin you'd like to get. So I'm just going to search for BTC. As you can see, there's Bitcoin. Click on Bitcoin, and it's automatically going to show you how much of the Bitcoin you are going to get for this set amount over here. So I have 500, but of course you can change that as well. And after this, you will have to select how you want to pay. So here, Visa via Vert is currently selected, but you can view all offers and you can see basically which one is optimal. You can basically select different offers from, for example, a MoonPay, PayPal, a Visa, Google Pay, bank transfer, whatever you want to do. Now, select one that suits you the most, and then in case you have a promo code, put it in here. I don't have one yet. And then you want to simply click on next step. Here, you want to put in your destination address for your Bitcoin. Now, you can get this on your wallet. So for example, for me, I have a Trust Wallet over here. I'm going to simply go into Trust Wallet. I'm going to look for Bitcoin. And once I find Bitcoin, there we go. I'm gonna click on receive to get the receiving address, copy it, and paste it in here. You can do this on any wallet you want. You can do it on Trust Wallet, Phantom, or maybe on Binance, whatever you want to do. Basically, just put in a wallet address, okay? So in case you don't have one yet, you can click over here and you can create one scanning this barcode or a QR code with the Alice Bob wallet, okay? Now, once you've done this, you can click on next step, and this will take you to a separate page where you basically have to check out. Now, depending on whatever you're trying to buy with, this website will be different. So for me, as you can see, I'm trying to purchase with Visa. That's what I chose earlier. This is what it's going to look like. So I'll have to put in my card details, click on next, and then I'll pretty much be set and I'll receive my Bitcoin. But of course, if you choose PayPal, you'll be directed to your PayPal basically login page. You'll have to sign in and pay with PayPal. If you chose anything else, you'll basically go to a different website and just have to pay via the option that's going to be on your screen. So after you put in all your details, click on next, and then you'll have to basically just confirm, and then your Bitcoin will be transferred to your wallet. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.